Kruppa House by Capa Arquitectura in VEREDA El Penasco, Colombia. This is a house that unfolds to look at itself. It is staggered on a sloping topography through the 4 modules. They are apparently independent, joined by 2 garden tunnels that make this house a single unit. With the rotation of these pieces, angular openings are created that allow the creation of interior gardens, each one maintaining the same proportions but inverted compared to the previous one, which allows us to generate a common principle between roofs, ridge levels, and lateral heights of the facades. It is a black house on the outside and with light wood on the entire internal surface, seeking contrasts. It is a place of levels and double heights, a clear place full of openings with different shades of color. The light never enters in the same direction, allowing a play of light and shadows throughout its path. The glazed and rotated facades generate a transverse transparency throughout the house. A bridge to access it, a metal walkway that supports a library above the social area, a ceramic workshop on the first level, a mesh over a double height, or a Turkish room are some of the elements and spaces that this home has. It is a home that is discovered when walking through it, a place of asymmetrical perspectives and contrasts between its finishes.